everyone, and I hate everything.
Nope. No. Not it. No. Miserable people are not my forte. Misery really loves company. So I'm here today to tell you, don't accompany misery. If you have miserable people around in your life, it is time for you to either remove them or just distance yourself from them, because at the end of the day, miserable people, like the saying goes, misery loves company. Don't accompany it. Let someone be miserable on their own, because at the end of the day, you don't need that type of negative energy in your life at all. If someone want to be miserable, they need to be miserable on their own. Like, I don't care if it's your mom, your dad, your brother, your sisters, your cousins, family, friends, someone very dear and near to your heart. Let them go. Because it's not worth it. You know, people like that just bring you down. Bring your energy down. And if you're someone who's trying to change, you don't need that nasty, stagnant energy in your life. You can't take other people's burdens and dwellings and put it on your shoulders, because you're just going to feel like this. And you need to just remove it and be like this. Be that open, free butterfly that you are. Because if you just keep those type of nasty, negative, miserable ass people around you, they're not doing anything but tearing you down. And you don't want to be torn down. You need people who's going to lift you up. You need people on the same positive vibrations and wavelength as you. So like I said, don't accompany misery. Let the miserable people go to miserable island and live their best miserable lives. Don't endure in that, because then you don't want to look like an angry, bitter, miserable person, and that's just not who you are. So remove it. As Jamaicans would say, dashatoye, throw it away. Just remove it. Get rid of all of that. Take that clutter. Take those nasty ass people out of your life. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you hear and like what you see, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell, what that bell, hit that bell, so you can get my notifications. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.